Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset option and tap on Reset Phone. Here we've got the option Reset All Settings, so let's tap on it and confirm everything with your screen lock. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so tap on Reset if you're really sure. You cannot undo this action, and your device will reset things like, for example, the navigation type, the screen timeout, etc. So just tap on Reset if you're ready, tap on Reset to confirm, and now simply wait until it will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.